Integration in the EO. So first of all, in your home page, you go to all application and then as an system admin, normally you will find the integration, right? This is integration, which is there's all different kinds of module here. So what it does is because let's say as a default EO, similar to this one, as a default EO, right? Some function it might not given us have to use it. So basically, let's say maybe you wanna have external third-party system that wanna have a API message link to EO, right? Then what it does is you need some API function. Maybe you need some unified message function or even the third party system to integrate into EO. Okay, so what the integration is that you will need to integrate a extra module for it to uh, for it to have the ability to display the function. Yeah. So let's say on here, right? You can see different kinds of uh, function integration here. Like this one, high meter integration. So this high meter integration is used for batch uploading, like maybe paperwork or contract or IDs card, digital documents to upload to the to the e-office for approval and electronic archiving. Yep. So when uploading attachment in e-office, it can quickly take photos and batch upload using the high-speed scanner. Yeah. So like this one, right? This 良田高拍仪 is one of the system that being linked, and then you can see that there's a default service address being put in here. Yeah. So other than that, like this OCR interface integration is used for OCR control in forms to recognize your ID card information and even business card. And for example, like upload a photo of a ID card and then both front and back, and then display in the corresponding form field to approve electronic archiving. Yeah. So all of this it requires a external API third-party source to connect between them to achieve the functionality. Yeah. And also there's some others like 契约说 integration, which this one is used for online contract approval, electronic signing, identifying verification for both signings, all of the function for authentication, business license authentication, etc. Yeah. So you can see that for now it's empty because we doesn't have a what we call new third party to attach with, right? So this is for shortcuts only. Yeah. And then there's also have signature plugin. Right. Signature plugin is used for approval stamping. Like this one, Kingrid's signature and Cheers for signature. So this one is the third party which uh you can you can use client mode and then do some linking like new binders, what do you want to bind with, all of that, those stuff. Yeah. So the signature is for workflow form stamping and signing and can set the protection field for the signatures as any changes for protective field invalid the stamping or signatures. Yeah. And recently, okay, this message what we call message platform integration is used for sending mobile SMS to internal e-office user and external personal maybe third party software using the e-office. Yeah. So OA system modules send reminder, maybe like mobile phone SMS, right? Like workflow to dos or maybe some contract approval reminders, all of that. Yeah. So we can see that there's some integration already being set into the system, as some of these are the address that already have collaboration before with eOffice. Yeah. And then there's also a attendance machine, which this attendance machine is you can punch data can be automatically seen to the eOffice attendance module at set time, which enable to unify attendance management and statistic using OA. So if you have a punching machine in the office, right, then you can do a connection with the OA system so that when the machine being punched in OA system, you will receive and then we will update the attendance. Yeah. And then other than that, we also got external database, which create multiple external data connections to fetch the external data in eOffice for approval or viewing or statistic. Yeah. And we also got this documenting plugin, right? So it enables online viewing and editing of Words, Excel document in OA attachment. So let's say in eOffice, we got the document module, okay? This document module. So in document module, normally we can only open PDF form. Normally we can open a PDF form, yeah. And then if you want to review others form like Excel or Word, right, you will require a third party software to third party address to help you to preview the format of the file. So currently in standard eOffice, if you want to preview the Words or Excel, what you would do is maybe you need something like this, which is document integration, which we have the DCS, which is online document preview software. So if we activate these, right, and then we can input in all the what we call this Yongzhong online preview software for the external server to all the setting being input well. Then after that, you go to the document, and then if you have a Word file and then you open it up, it will redirect you to the Yongdong address and then help you to have the function to open up the Word form or Excel form. Yeah. So this is what the document plugin used for, which enable online viewing and editing of Word and Excel. So these are some of the online preview collaboration is being used in eOffice. Yeah. And then recently we also have done something like the where is it? Unified message. So for this unified message is able for you to send message from external system like third party system, right, to eOffice. So with eOffice handling the unified message reminder, so what it does is you can see that this is the setting, right? So it's basically you need to key in all the systems address, APIs, and then secure keys, and then which domain that you want to receive from, right? So like this one is previous that being used for testing, and then there's a user associate here. So what it does is when a message is being sent from third party into eOffice, we will receive a message data like here. So you can see that all of this is the message data that being received from the third party. Okay. So when the message data is being sent from third party like maybe ABC software, so they send from that wanna do some reminder on your contract approval, right? In eOffice you will receive it online and then it will shows here, which will tell you that you can see that please check on the NC message and with the message title of receipt numbers, any. So you can see details of how it does, all that. Yeah. So this is how the unified message does. And also we got a open platform, which is a open API interface for those third-party developers to access eOffice as well. So we organize and provide the eOffice open data interface with documentation, and after obtaining interface permission in OA, the developers can read the document to build the integration. Yeah. So all of these are basically how we got the integration function. And if client have extra demands that might need some integration being used, right? These are the things that we will need to look into. Yeah.